Okay, in this video we're going to solve a problem, okay, and the problem is how much sodium hydroxide do I need if I want to produce 16 grams of magnesium hydroxide? So my question is, how much do I need? How much do I have to put into the reaction in order to get 16 grams of this? Well, the first thing I have to see here is that this is not much different from a cooking recipe. In a cooking recipe, we get 1 teaspoon of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, then we put maybe 4 teaspoons of milk. You know, it's proportions. And here we've got proportions. 2, 1, 1, 2. So what this is telling me is that 1 mole of magnesium chloride gives me 2 moles, with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, is going to give me 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide with 2 moles of sodium chloride. This means that if I mix this two together with this proportion, I will get this. So we have to really understand that this is just a proportion. It's like a cooking recipe. This plus 2 of this gives me whatever. So the first thing we have to do is calculate the amount of moles we have here. Okay, so we already know that there's a formula which is number of moles, N, equals mass divided by molecular weight. Okay, so basically this is really easy. The mass is 16 grams, so I'll put this here. And the molecular weight of magnesium hydroxide, we have to calculate it. Okay, this will be 24.3 for the magnesium, plus 2 oxygens, so that will be 16 times 2, plus 2 hydrogens, which will be 2. So if we calculate this, this will give us 0.27 moles. Okay, so 16 grams of magnesium hydroxide is 0.27 moles. Okay, we're going to repeat this again. This is the mass, 16, and here we calculated the molecular weight. Magnesium, its weight is 24.3. Then oxygen, we've got 2 oxygens, so 16, which is the oxygen's weight, times 2. And hydrogen is 1 multiplied by 2, okay? And if we sum this together, it will give us the weight of this compound here. Okay, so this is what we get, okay? So if this is what we get, how many moles do we have here? Okay, so we talked about the proportion, about the cooking recipe. So this is 2 times what we've got here. So all we have to do in order to go to this place is multiply by 2, because this is 2 times bigger than this. Okay, so here we will have 0.54. Why? Because 0.27 times 2 is 0.54. Okay, so this is the amount of moles we have here. And now it's easy. So we use this formula again. Number of moles equals mass divided by molecular weight. We want to find out the mass, but we've got the moles, so we plug them in. Okay, moles. We don't know the mass. We'll put it there. But we do know how to calculate the molecular weight. And this will be 23, which is the sodium weight, 16, which is the oxygen weight, and 1, which is the hydrogen. Okay? And this will give us a mass of 21.6. So what does this mean? This means that if I put 21.6 grams into this reaction, I will obtain 16 grams of magnesium hydroxide. Simple.